I'm feeling resentful today. I'm feeling resentment towards myself and others. I'm struggling to release this feeling. I have no compassion for myself and others. And I know that's because my heart chakra is blocked. Because I'm a good person. I should be happy when other people are happy, right? But I just cannot feel that right now. And honestly, I'm judging this part of me. I feel like I'm a bad person for not feeling grateful about my life. And for not being happy for other people's successes. There's definitely a lot of resentment, jealousy, and guilt in my body. I'm honoring all of these feelings. And I forgive myself for being so hard on me. Today I'm learning to love all parts of me. If other people have what I want, it doesn't mean they're better than me. It doesn't mean I'm a failure. It means I can have it too. I don't have to judge myself for being jealous. Because there is so much to be grateful for in my life. And today I choose to tap into that feeling of gratitude. And maybe it's time to put myself first. Maybe all of this resentment and jealousy I feel towards others is because I'm neglecting my own needs. So today I'm choosing to focus on all the things that are going right for me. I'm learning to fill my own cup with love, compassion, and gratitude. And in return, I'm ready to receive love from all sources.